morning, this is our third practice with Arduino.
For this time, we're going to use the potentiometer, the LED, and the upper button. For the first practice of Arduino, in the first, if we get a number less than 300, it's going to be blue. And if we press the upper button, it's going to be purple. And if we get a number between 300 and 600, it's going to be green. And if we press it, it's going to be like some kind of blue. And if it's higher than these numbers, it's going to be red. And if we press it, it's going to be the light yellow.
I made the Arduino number 2, and at the beginning, if the values are between 0 and 300, it will be red, and if I press the button, it will be white. So all the colors are on. Then if we change the values between 300 and 60, the LED will be green, and if we press the button, it will be black. And at the end, if we put it at 600 or more, it will be blue, and if we press the button, it will be yellow. Good afternoon. This is my third program. As you can see, here is my documentation with my name on it, the number of the version, and the date. Then I put this that says software serial so that I can open the library that I'm going to use later. Then we declare the variables with the different names such as sensor, pot pin, upper bottom, blue LED, red LED, green LED. And we put equal and the number where it is connected. Then we put everything that is in the void setup so that it will run once. I put the serial begin, the pin mode, and well, the pin modes, but with different names for the different LEDs and the button that I'm using. This is to wake them up. Then everything that is here is because it will repeat again and again and again. First of all, I put the sensor pot with analog read because it isn't digital, it is analog. And here is to indicate that the sensor pot is the same as the pot pin so that it will read it. Then we put a conditional. If sensor pot is lower than 300, it will do this. This is to create the red LED, so we have to turn the other two colors off so it won't show. Then something else will happen if we press the button. So we put it with indentation here. The red LED and the blue LED will be low so that it will only show the green LED. Then we put the other condition in case the upper bottom is pressed. And then we put else so that we don't have to specify that if the values are more than 600. And here we turn off the lights, 2 lights, and 1 is on. And again, we put a condition in case the upper bottom is pressed. And that's it.
This is the code for the first Arduino. First, we have to name the variables and then waking up. Then we start the sequence in the potentiometer. And if we get a number lower than 300, the light will be blue. And if we press the button, the light will be between blue and red, so it is going to be purple. Then if we get a number between 300 and 600, the light will be red, and if we press the button, the light will be between green and red, that it will be yellow. And if it's higher than 600, the light will be green, and the light of the button will be between blue and green, so that means it's going to be kind of a blue, and that's all.